Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Calendly for appointment scheduling and conversion tracking step by step clearly. To activate Calendly for appointment scheduling and conversion tracking, start by visiting the Calendly website.
If you don't already have an account, click on the Sign Up button to create one. Enter your email address and set a secure password for your account. Check your email for a verification link from Calendly and click on it to verify your account. Once logged in, you will be taken to your main Calendly dashboard. Click on the Event Types tab on the left-hand side. Select the type of event you want to create, such as one-on-one or group events. Fill in the event details, including the event name, location, and duration. Set your availability by choosing the days and times you are open for appointments. Save your changes to finalize the event setup. Next, locate the Integrations tab in the dashboard. Click on Integrate to see the third-party applications that work with Calendly. Select the applications that you wish to connect, such as Zoom or Google Calendar. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your accounts securely. Once your integrations are set up, navigate to the Account section. In the Account settings, look for the Tracking option. Enable Google Analytics by entering your tracking ID. This will allow you to monitor conversions from your scheduled appointments. Make sure to save all changes made in your account settings. To test your setup, share your Calendly link with a friend or colleague. Ask them to schedule an appointment to ensure everything is working correctly. Monitor your Google Analytics to track conversions from the appointments. Your Calendly setup for appointment scheduling and conversion tracking is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.